Biko, all you want at this video, Kara Metoma can share button. This video will Ephraim Ononye Ministry worldwide can now address in this video. In respect to this guy, Mama no Kai Kongolo, Kongol Manyongulu Nebu. Potaro na sanono sinsi yawo osino nyelu pastor nka aka marenji osino nyelu pastor nka aka we marenji that Ephraim Ononye ministry we put away a very simple thing, because looking at some of the things this guy in only feel no sure ije ko we cash ya cruise or whatever reason so you I don't know. But always some of the things we Okulu implicating suppose that guy suppose you can get that guy arrested. And don't feel that if Ononye that guy need to get arrested, because there are so many informations that guy in easy. Easy, they are not just but if I am not got confessional statement even I'm the man that like a cash cruise with anything. Nyak evangelist that Ephraim Ononye kulu if also kulu no one man and about that Ephraim Ononye ministries no when obula amuma na pussycat ya appear na one family nda na lu for that pussycat no nyanwa je plant that pussycat really eba ka that guy no way confirm na over 70 to 80% of Ifeanyi Wase. Let me not say 100%. Now, this is why I am here on this particular program. All you follow Ephraim Ononye Ministries. If you are a member of Ephraim Ononye Ministries, if you can provide that family, if you can provide a clip, if you can provide somebody, none of that service, none of that program, not the day Ephraim Ononye kuluna, no will ebe pussycat ya appear that place. I want you to provide that family for me. 1 million naira for you. And I want to neku. Obulu ne bena. Wolo ni ne benana program. Wolo ni nu benale na sustain. In fact, ne we wonyo bosi or ni wonye ni wia. Anambra State, Ebonyi State, Abia State, Imo State, or Anambra. Wolo ni yela idea with this particular thing and kumeli. Tell me 1 million naira for you. The fact is that they fire him. It never happened. All just because now Ephraim Ononye ministry call for his arrest. That guy deserve to arrest here, because the fact is that some of the things so Okulu, well, for the Okulu deserve to keep that guy behind bars. The men of God, he should go ahead and give that statement to the police, because those people really need to be arrested for deceiving the public. They need to be arrested for deceiving the public. You gotta go. So when even for the wrong that if a Ononye I suppose you can apprehend the area, so that over some of the things said very vital. Police is supposed to pay attention to. That if about no one man Ephraim Ononye no when the man who bulamuma na pussycat ya appear somewhere. Ephraim Ononye mana, even before I came in contact with that man, Amamumbone visit radio stations, TV stations, a battle of fake men of God. A battle of fake men of God. Will they now fall out with a lot of people? All who know will skeleton na cupboard, yeah. I have forgot that skeleton on when a cupboard there. Because of the way also we confront some men of God. All know we skeleton na cupboard there. I have another skeleton no one na cupboard there. But because no one skeleton no one na cupboard there, that is why those people are for any ground. I do a fight here. Now this Utobo put out new Facebook. It said they are podcast. Maka ifo na kejeju na bego. Now some of these things these bloggers in just like this podcast they say from the pastors and some of even JPAC and the Bolisono Hanuku. What has you go keji apa? Nanda crowd keji chase. Una ye putapa. Una no kwa take it serious. They take it personal. He will make you go. They gotta go. He will make you go. If you can bring or identify that family, that particular family, remember, na mbokuru makankamish. No, when they say na comment section, yes, na hamambe such thing. Because one thing you don't understand is that now, during the time of evangelist Obinuchuku, Agodo Jesus and the likes of them, some of these prophecies are on air. Etu yisi afuzi churches keda where Facebook online online. Hababia on air, but people now not discuss. So it's very possible that now that thing may not mishi. Go. But no one chore toga we ikije wolie zokwa 1, zokwa 2, zokwa 3. We wait this year out just to chase crowd. I don't want to contest every other thing Okuru, but I have been very, very, very particular about Ephraim because all the while only made that podcast, he never mentioned anything like Ephraim Ononye, anything body like Ephraim, not until Ephraim Ononye ministry that him we say we call for the arrest of that guy immediately or put up the next time also no when Ephraim melinga blah 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 ngwanya kowazie ntosu we kowa a lot of things God deep about Obinuchuku and others. Nagazie deeper maybe Ephraim Ononye no or anything about the man. Remember, the deal is still there. Get me that family. Tell me name on a service that day. It has to be verified. In order go, I want you to show me or prove to me that na such thing melo anywhere. 1 million naira for you. In order go, 1 million naira for you. As for that Ephraim Ononye ministry, I need more of that RNG. And I will still come. Mjalu, Kambia collect here another portion of RNG because I need that blessing. I'm happy here too. Catch you phone.